Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious seasoned chicken, and we have our beef stocks. And if you want to properly season your chicken to get the best taste and flavor, begin by pouring in the onion, garlic, pepper, fresh thyme, dried thyme, oregano, basil, salt to taste. We have rosemary. Now rosemary is actually optional. Add in ginger with the skin on, and spring onions. I'm just going to add some water here. And so we're just going to pour this in the next bowl. So ensure it's properly coated. Once that's done, place it in here. And all you need to do would be to just repeat the step for each and every one. Last but not the least, I'm just going to pour a little bit of our seasoning. Marinate in the fridge and leave for a couple of hours. Kindly check the description for a link to the recipe. And we're taking this out. So let's just unravel the ends and see what we have here. Wow. Trust me when I say this recipe is a must try. So we're going to add this well-seasoned chicken, all the pieces of marinated chicken in a pot, and pour some seasoning. Allow it to steam for a few minutes before you add salt. A few minutes later, I'm just going to add salt. Just add salt to taste and stir it up and bring it to boil. Enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, I'm just ensuring that every piece is cooked properly. I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for a few minutes, and after that the seasoned chicken is ready. So guys, here we have it. We have our seasoned chicken and we have the chicken stock. You see that the stock is actually very thick. It's all based on your personal preference. If you want it to be less thick, feel free to add some more water. Can you see how thick this stock is? Very, very thick. This seasoned chicken and chicken stock is perfect for your soup and stews and great for any occasion. And if you do try it out, leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.